Hi, and welcome to another video reviewing our leather bags and accessories. Today we'll be taking a look at the classic tool belt. The tool belt is handmade using our signature full grain leather and comes in vintage brown or black. You can also choose to add your initials on the front. Designed with multiple compartments, the tool belt's pockets offer a wide variety of ways to store and use your tools whilst on the go. As with all our bags and accessories, the tool belt features our strong and durable hardware ensuring use for years to come. We are so confident in the performance of our products, we offer a free 1-year warranty with all of our items. The tool belt is a super useful accessory for any avid DIYer, crafter, or trades professional. The back strap clips easily and is fully adjustable. If you have any questions about the tool belt, leave a comment down below and don't forget to like and subscribe. And you can hit the bell icon to get notifications on all our videos. You can find the tool belt and our aprons and utility belts on our website at mahileather.com. Thanks for watching.